Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sell on the Facebook Marketplace. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Facebook app. And here, I'm just going to the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Then in this section, under the menu, we find Marketplace. We tap on this. And the app is going to redirect us, and afterwards in the top left side of the screen we find sell. If you tap on this, then we can start filling the listing details of the product that we want to sell, add the title, add the price, add the category, and then just tap on publish, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.